What kind of drink can turn this water on? 17 hours. The people are waiting. They are waiting for us. You can see their faces. They are, hey! What kind of drink can turn this water? A ball of fire! A ball of fire! Yes. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. We give our praise. We are going to worship God. Sit down, sit down. Shilamanako minakai. Hey, my God, I leaped over the wall. Listen, listen. For us, you know, it's not a song. It is life. It is life. Listen, I'm telling you a secret. Your victory songs will be gotten in the days of your battle. You don't sing victory songs in the days of victory. It's in the days of battle. Hey, my God, I leaped over a wall. Hey! This is someone that have said, let's see how far they will go. I leaped over a wall. They say, can anything good come out of them? Hey, but my God, I ran through a troop. Hey! Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Come on, come on. Hey! Listen, 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 listen. They would have been able to stop you if they were the ones answering your prayer. But thank God they are not the one. They are not the one. They are not the one. I call me Lava. I said there, but my God, my stone brought Goliath down. Sit down, sit down. We are going there very soon. Sit down, sit down, sit down. It's life.